This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jenna Carver. Bright and beautiful, first floor and unit condo, air conditioner, hot water heater 2018 and garbage disposal. The split floor plan with master and guest bedroom is ideal for the Florida lifestyle. Kitchen features an open pass-through to dining/living room and spacious eat-in nook. Bright spacious open office/den off the dining area. Master bedroom features a large ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. Screen/glass lanai with natural preserve view, and a small picnic area adjacent to the unit makes the unit ideal for entertaining. Covered carport with storage locker. The Arbor Green community in Stony Brook has its own pool and amenities, plus with your social membership you can enjoy the access to tennis, a beautiful clubhouse and pool with a great restaurant and fitness center, not to mention the many social events without paying the golf fees. Stony Brook's location in Palmer Ranch is 7.5 miles from the beautiful sugary sand beaches of Siesta Key. The Legacy Trail is just around the corner from this great gated community. For more information, review the details below.